Hello guys, in this video let's see how to send an invoice to a client or a customer to pay for your service or the product in Shopify. Yes, we can do that. Let's see how to do it. So here we are in the Shopify dashboard. Let's go to products, or no, sorry, orders, and then create an order. Then you can simply search the products. This is a new, just an experimental website. That's why there isn't any much products. Let's get this, add it, and you can see you can add a discount, add shipping or delivery, estimated tax, etc. Also, you can pretty much do anything about this, and you can send invoice to the client or the customer. Just type your email address and subject here, custom name, product price, and discount codes. All right, we have to verify this email. I haven't verified it. Simply that's the procedure, guys. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Let's say if you get paid cash in hand, so you can simply mark as paid and create order. Then it will become an order, and you can simply manage your all orders in one platform, which is Shopify, of course. And if you need any help with websites, Shopify websites, etc., and especially organic marketing, you can reach to us, shimadigital.com, and we have plenty of free video materials in our YouTube as well. So make sure to check them as well. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know.